Your Excellency, Mr. Volkan Bozkır, President of the General Assembly, Israel, the occupying power, with the support of the current U.S. administration of the century. Under the deal, Israel plans to annex 33% of the territories. We and the whole world have rejected such plans, which run counter to all international resolutions of just and lasting peace. We have accepted all the initiatives proposed. I personally have dedicated my life to the cause of peace. I call on the Secretary General of the United Nations to start preparations in cooperation with the Quartet and the Security Council for an international conference. The conference should have full authority to launch a genuine peace process based on international law and relevant terms of reference. It should aim to end the occupation, grant the Palestinian people their freedom and independence in their own state along the 1967 borders with East Jerusalem as capital. It would be foolish to think that the Palestinian people could ever accept the occupation. And to top it all off, Israel, the UAE, and Bahrain have just signed normalization agreements. The Palestinian Liberation Organization has never asked anyone to speak or negotiate on behalf of the Palestinian people. The only way to achieve a comprehensive, just, and lasting peace in our region is to end the occupation and to ensure the independence of the State of Palestine along the 1967 borders with East Jerusalem as its capital.